Grand Rising Soul Family, welcome back to the channel. Alright, y'all, let's tap in and get the daily energy check-in, see what's going on here. Okay. Let's get a prayer. Beloved ancestors, spirit guides, to the Most High God, I call on Archangel Michael for protection. Anybody sending anything physically, mentally, emotionally, or spiritually, please block and blind my soul back, our energy, and send theirs back with full forgiveness in all forms to the universe at this time. Thank you, thank you, thank you to the Most High God. All right, y'all. How's everybody doing? Happy Thursday, y'all. Okay, this week is just flew by. It's like you wake up and boom, it's almost Friday, right? Type of energy here. Y'all know today Venus transits Saturn, bringing balance back. Okay, to love, relationships, maybe contracts here. Yeah, balance is definitely being restored here. Okay, let's see here what we got. Also, I was getting while I was looking and reading some things here. Okay, something about February 2025. That could be very significant on that timeline. Something that happened then could be coming back around. But see, y'all, this is the tricky thing about this energy right here, right? Okay. You got Venus meeting Saturn, right? Transiting. But then you also have Mercury retrograde, which is in the microwave right now, pre-shadow period. And then you got the full moon energy. You got Jupiter and Uranus active as well. Something about the last planetary alignment, y'all, of 2025. Something was done. I don't know. There's a correlation here, though. So maybe something's coming back around. Maybe that was a big event. Something like a huge event happened in your life around the last planetary alignment in 2025. Okay. All right, let's get into it. Let's see. New moon promise. Something about the new moon could be very significant here. Okay. The new moon in Gemini. Okay. Collecting intel is what I just heard. Okay. Reflection about a shapeshifter here. And this could be about a love relationship. Something about the winter time. There was something that come out about a lover or oh, spirit saying there ain't no or. Okay. Yeah, something come out about a lover in the winter time. Okay. You got focus and you release some shit here. Going into autumn. Yeah. Okay. I heard the fake love mask is off. Okay. So you possibly been enlightened since the wintertime about somebody, not their true feelings and how they really didn't care. Something here. Okay. Now I'm gonna tell y'all something. This right here is somebody finna get their feelings hurt because if somebody was shapeshifted and they was like in and out, 1 foot in, 1 foot out, they getting a wake up call because you took your power back. That's exactly what this is. Because you're not in this still energy now. You're moving. And somebody's like, hold up. Because yeah. Now you're nurturing yourself. And somebody here with those games. What I tell y'all yesterday about somebody trying to like control the narrative here. Okay. This is like somebody walking away emotionally in the wintertime and release somebody. Because somebody here, while they tried to have them in solitude, somebody here seen exactly what they needed to do here. Okay. See, that's the problem with trying to isolate people. See, some of us, we grow in isolation, and you probably shouldn't have done that, right? So now somebody don't have no movement, and then y'all, here we are coming up on this full moon. It's going to be a completion of a cycle, like I said, and somebody wanted to stop something here. Okay. So now Big Daddy Saturn's coming in and balancing things out in the love department here. Okay. Somebody feels like it should be them. The the rising star. Yeah, somebody feels like this should be them, but it's not, okay? Or with you, okay? You could be the rising star and somebody feels like that should be them. Yeah, this is your op here, okay? Mm-hmm. All right, tell me about this energy, your spirit. Yeah, you moving on. Or you already moved on and somebody sending the evil out, okay? Mm. Now somebody's concerned because they couldn't lay something to rest here. This is also like you working on a project and there's a jealous lover here, okay? And it was like a fake love relationship and like they couldn't handle whatever it is, okay? Because somebody knew you was gonna be a rising star or whatever you've been working on here. Okay. Um hmm. The thief. And then you hear the sirens back there. Yeah, this person was coming in to possibly steal your work, your money, your essence, so they could like something steal your energy. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Let's get some tarot. See, tell me about the thief here, spirit. Oh yeah, they ruined themselves. Mm-hmm. Cause you walked away from whoever this is. Y'all, sometimes a thief don't come in to steal physical things, okay? And this could be what Big Daddy Saturn is showing you here, especially in the love department. Like, you could be laying with a whole hater and not even realize it, okay? It's like, what's going on here? And you know, teamwork don't make a dream work if you're in a very competitive relationship. Yeah, I've never understood that. Like, the money's coming into the same house, so why are we gonna try to rip one person apart and say, "Oh, I'm better than you. I'm doing it." Like, isn't the ultimate goal is to build the foundation together and bring the money in and like y'all do things together. See, togetherness is gonna be very significant here. Mm-hmm. Nine of Pentacles, y'all. I can't make it up. To say this is what's going on with you and your person, right? Y'all have found balance and love, and like things are moving really, really good. And there's outsiders here that possibly tried to do something February of 2025 to throw an imbalance in your relationship, do something here that could be very significant, okay? Yeah. But y'all had to have strength. And now y'all are finding balance, and here we are today, and things is working out. Yeah. Because, see, somebody disappointed about the past because they couldn't come in. I heard it cause riffraff in a relationship. Yeah. You know, yesterday, y'all, my husband, he said something. He was like, you know, he said, we have a bond, we have a relationship, you know, that other people would love to have, right? He was like, but look how much work that we have to put in toward doing what we do. And that's true, we do, because it's just this shit don't make itself happen, right? It's everything is not always going to be perfect, but communication, being solid and doing what needs to be done is very, very important, okay? And there could be somebody here that's in a very imbalanced, loveless relationship. And collective, they could be watching you be loved correctly. See, I was saying something about that. And this could be somebody from your past. This could be a friend. This could be a family member. This could be a coworker. This could be somebody, you know, that you least expect to be a hater, right? And you're like, okay, what's going on? That's weird. That kind of energy here. Because they see happiness, Nine of Cups, okay? And somebody here cannot defeat you, and they're feeling defeated, and they're upset because they could be throwing this kind of energy, the shapeshifter here. Yeah. Hmm. Success, Six of Pentacles. Somebody feeling stuck. Okay, yeah, this King of Wands here, because they ain't got no balance. There's something here. And they're not being protected here. Temperance in reverse. Divine Masculine, I've been saying that you got a hater in your camp. Listen now. And they don't like that you got the love of your life. Y'all balance. Y'all got real love. Something about this, okay? That's going to be very significant. Yeah. Because, see, somebody here took a fishy cup thinking this was their 10 of cups, but it wasn't, okay? And they could be realizing there ain't no balance in the relationship that they have, okay? Somebody here definitely, I feel like I'm getting caught up, okay? Fake love, caught up, something about this, okay? Yeah, there's a victory here. Queen of Cups. Because somebody used their intuition here, okay? Somebody didn't fall for the bullshit here. That's what's happening here. With possibly a King of Wands here. Like, because this person is not who they portray to be, okay? And that's what's going on here. Somebody is just a thief here. Physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, financially. I feel like somebody come in to, like, kill somebody's spirit here, and it's not good. The universe is not taking whatever this person's putting out. And with this Three of Cups, they've been over here celebrating behind somebody's back anyways. Okay? Hierophant in reverse. Somebody's not even being committed to a situation or relationship here. Yeah. And this could be the same person that's trying to rip yours apart. Okay, this non-committal person here. That's going to be very significant here. And it's like, nah, what's going on here? Because, see, that King of Wands, that's non-committal. That's somebody out using their, you know, their body parts, okay? Lustful energy. That's what that is. For money. Somebody's lusting after somebody, possibly for this 10 of Pentacles here. And it's like, no. Somebody's like, no, I don't want this. And see, somebody could be looking at, like, love is money. And it's like, no, that's not what this is. That's another thing about this transit. It's going to show somebody, like, love is not money. Okay, yeah, your bills got to be paid. You got to take care of stuff. But love is not money. Material things does not make somebody happy here. And somebody's fixing to find this out. Yeah. Could be very significant. That's like, that King of Wands energy is giving love and sex is money. It's like, no, it's not. No. So it's making somebody go back to the drawing board because they could be trying to offer this to a divine feminine and they have been rejected because a divine feminine don't look at love and money as a value. Okay, I mean, sex and money. Something about sex, money, and love here. Somebody needs to learn the definition of this. Follow your instincts, because somebody, their heart activation ain't even started. And they trying to rush in and get a new beginning while they're hiding something here. Okay? Yeah. With the summer solstice. Very interesting. Because somebody here can't come towards somebody in a volatile energy. They're over here creating, okay, with this dragonfly energy. And it's like very tapped in. And like somebody, they push somebody at bay because it's like, no, you don't even know what you're doing. Over here, we flow. We don't force things. We let things flow. And if you don't have passion for it, you don't put your time or energy into it, okay? Very interesting daily energy check-in here. Okay. All right, guys, that's what I got for you. I want to send everybody some love, light, and healing, and take care of yourself, okay? See you soon.